Maha Cartoon TV.
Magical Turban. A girl named Sumiti used to live with her father Raghu Singh in Krishnanagar. Sumiti did not have a mother, so she was raised by her father alone. Raghu was a very educated man for his time. He got opportunities to teach in schools for many big cities, but he decided to stay on his own land and teach the children there. When Sumiti came to know about her father, she felt a little sad because his father's decision was taking them towards poverty. Raghu was not able to earn much money, but he respected the decision for himself. Because of this, Sumiti also supporting her father. Time was passing and Sumiti was also growing up. Raghu Singh used to be worried about her marriage. One day, Sumiti said something to her father.
Papa, now I have grown up. I know that you care about me, and I feel very sad to see all this. If you allow me, can I start working too?
Raghu Singh was very happy to hear this. He was very proud of his daughter's decision. After which, he asked, Sumiti, but where will you do the job?
Papa, I don't want to work anywhere, but I want to do my own work.
Your own work?
Yes, Papa, my work.
But my child, it will cost a lot.
No, Papa, I have thought everything out. It won't cost much.
But what will you do?
I will use the spoiled clothes properly and make them again usable for the people.
That means, will you do sewing and knitting work, right?
Something like this, but I will not do the work of weaving someone's clothes. I will recycle the spoiled clothes.
I haven't understood anything.
Papa, everyone does sewing and knitting work. I don't want to do this. I want to make useless and spoiled clothes in such a way that they were never bad. I will make it more beautiful and giving a new design in it.
Wow, but it will take more time and you earn less money.
Yes, but gradually money will start coming on, Papa.
Raghu was very happy with Sumiti's idea and said yes to support her daughter. From the very next day, Sumiti started her work. At first, people did not understand what kind of work Sumiti was doing. But gradually, by her different work and completely new ideas, Sumiti explained to everyone the way to do her work. Now people living nearby as well as far away used to bring their old saris, painted shirt, blankets to Sumiti. Using all this, Sumiti used to make beautiful gowns, cute frocks for children, travel bags or work bags for grown-ups. Everyone was very happy with this unique work of hers. Sumiti's name started getting far and wide. She was getting famous for her work. But still, Sumiti was not able to earn as much money as she should have. Days passed like this, and days into months. Then one day, Sumiti, my child?
Yes, Papa.
Sumiti, your uncle's daughter is getting married. We have to go there. Will you prepare a turban for me? I don't have money now, or else I would have brought a cloth and gave it to you.
Alright, Papa, I will make it.
Sumiti neither had clothes nor money, so that she would make a turban for her father. After thinking for a long time, she collected some clothes left over from work and made a beautiful turban for her father. Turban looked very beautiful. Sumiti had that turban in her hand, and someone came to the door.
Is there anyone? I am very hungry. Can I have anything to eat?
Hearing the voice, Sumiti went to the door She felt very bad seeing the condition of the woman standing in front, and she gave whatever was left in the house to the woman standing outside.
Thank you very much, my child. How beautiful it is. Will you give this to me? But this for... Okay, you can have it.
Sumiti could not refuse that woman and gave her the turban, after which the woman left from there. But now Sumiti started to worry that what would she tell her father. It was evening now. Only then,
Daughter Sumiti, well done. How beautiful it is. You have made my heart happy.
Sumiti was very surprised to see the turban in father's hand. She did not understand how it came to her father. Her father told her that he found this outside. So she thought that the lady would not have felt the need for it. So she put it back there. Forgetting the matter, Sumiti started preparing to go to the wedding. The very next day, Raghu and Sumiti left for the wedding. But what they saw upon reaching there was very sad.
Where can I get so much money now? The cost of marriage is increasing day by day. Now, how do I complete the rest of the preparations? What should I do now?
It did not take Raghu any time to understand the matter. He had come to know that his brother Ramdas was unable to bear the cost of marriage. But what would Raghu do, even if he wanted to? He himself did not have enough money that he could give to his brother. Yet he helped his brother with his savings, but was still lacking.
I wish I had enough money to solve all my brother's problems.
Sumiti, standing nearby, was also feeling sorry for her own helplessness. She was feeling very sad that she could not help her father. With a sad heart, Raghu and Sumiti went to a room. Raghu was very tired, so he took off his turban. But when he took it off, there were many piles of cash in it. Raghu and Sumiti were shocked to see this. Both of them did not understand how suddenly they got so much money.
Papa, how did this happen?
I too don't even know about this, Sumiti.
How can this happen? So much money. This is some magic. Yes, Papa. It's a miracle. It's not an ordinary turban, but it is a magical turban.
What? What are you saying?
Sumiti told the whole thing to her father. Even after knowing this, Raghu did not believe on this magic. After that, they asked other things from that turban. As soon as Raghu asked, everything came in front of him. Now Raghu and Sumiti were sure that this work belonged to the same beggar. Both became very happy, and Raghu went and gave that money to his younger brother, after which the marriage took place with great success. From that day onwards, Raghu and Sumiti were convinced that we should keep doing good deeds. God Himself gave us the fruits of our labors.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.